How to create a new Facebook ad account business manager. Now the very first thing you do want to do is to pull up facebook.com, and in here what you want to do next is just to change the context before or after the forward slash. Now what you want to change it is going to be business. Now once you have successfully changed it, you will now then be redirected to Facebook Ads Manager or Business Manager. Now, next thing you do is just to head on start now for you to be able to go to the ads manager. The next process that we would be doing is to create a specific portfolio if you haven't created one. But if you have an existing portfolio, then you can still use it. Now, this is going to be your interface. Now, just head over to current campaigns and choose on this drop down right here. And in here, you can choose on the existing campaign that you already created, or if you haven't created one yet, then just head over to create a business portfolio. Now this is just simple. All you have to do is to name your business portfolio and the first name and last name and so on and so forth. Once you successfully fill these out, then choose on create. Now once you've successfully created your business portfolio, you have to switch it from your current campaigns. For example, this one, and in here just choose on this gear icon right here for you to have um, a visual of the settings from your Facebook Business Manager. And in here, what you want to do to get started is you can choose or you can add your Instagram accounts. Same goes with your WhatsApp account. For you to add it, just choose on Instagram accounts and then choose on add and then just add or link your existing Instagram account for you to be able to add your different social media platforms from your current business portfolio. Now, the other thing that you can do is just head over to add accounts. And in here, since we will be adding a new Facebook ad account, choose on add and you will be given out three options. Just going to be create a new ad account if you have a existing portfolio, and then choose on add an existing ad account and request access to an ad account in another business portfolio. So just choose on create a new ad account since this is going to be our topic. And once you have clicked on this one, all you have to do is to change all access to everything so that you can change any options or informations that you have on your new ad account. And that's it. That's how you create a new Facebook ad account using the Facebook Business Manager.